Hi, I'm Thomas from 6th Mile Customs, and behind me here we have the 2-liter Isuzu V-Cross D-Max. This car comes today with a very specific requirement from my client. His requirement is that he wants to use it on a daily basis, and when he wants to take it for his events, it should be able to handle the bad terrain and not give up on him. So he's basically looking at using this vehicle as his recce car for the INRC Rally Championship that he runs. And we've done a couple of interesting mods today on this. Primarily something to do with the suspension. We've used the Ironman Foam Cell Pro suspension on this car. It also has a very interesting valving so that it works both ways. It works even when it's on a good road, it gives you a comfort ride, and when it takes in all the bumps. The Ironman Foam Cell Pros for this is basically a coilover for the front, which has got an adjustment option so that you can set the preload. You can, in the future, if you want to add a bull bar or a winch, we don't need to change the suspension. You just go ahead and set the preload according to that. So that makes it easy for someone who wants it in terms of upgrading in the future as well. Keeping in mind comfort, because that's the most important thing. You can't have a car that's running stiff. We've also done something with the upper arms so that you get better travel, better camber adjustment options. Apart from that, this gives us 2 inches of lift, so it gives a good stance to the vehicle. Another thing that we've fitted on the Isuzu today is the rear tow hitch, which is primarily used for recovery, either this vehicle or any other car that's stuck. It can be pulled out. It's got a load carrying capacity of around 3 tons.